Hi everyone, in today's video I would like to show you how to delete a single photo from multiple images. For this, go to your Facebook, then go to your multiple pictures post. Here is on. Now click on the three dot, then go to edit post. Now go to the photo that you want to delete, like this one. Wipe out their families, their mothers and their children. These animals must not be allowed to live any longer. If they are seen, a Israeli army personnel. Now click on that cross button here and the picture will be deleted. Then click on done and your post will be saved. So that's it guys. If this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching.